Okay guys, so let's get started. What I'm doing right here is taking out the 4 braids in the back. She had this style in for a couple of days, and so now I'm just taking it out so that I can redo it and show you guys how I do the sleek bun with the bangs. I'm just making sure to finger comb each section as I take it out, which is another way of detangling her hair. As you can see, Aubrey's a little fidgety right here because she was tired, but she still did a really great job through this video. So yeah, I'm just taking the barrettes out and unbraiding the hair and then finger combing the back. Okay, so now I'm going to take this pick and just start detangling her hair even more. I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up to the top and get the roots a little bit. So after I spray it and get it all wet, I just like to brush it up a little bit and then kind of pick out the ponytail part of her hair. This is just a little bit of leave-in conditioner. It softens the hair and like makes it easier to mold. And then I'm adding some more water and then using a bristle brush to just like slick up her edges. It's really easy, guys. A little more, add more water and brush it so that it like gets into that perfect bun. And this is actually the most important part. This is how to form the bun. You can do any kind you want, but this is how I do hers. And I'm actually going to slow it down so you guys can get a better look at exactly how I did it. So I'm basically just folding the hair over my thumb and then sliding my thumb right out of that little hole and then kind of just like slicking the hairs down over. So it's perfect. And then right after that, I just grab a little hair tie and I just put it right around the bun so that it holds it in place. You only have to like do it, one little roundabout or whatever you call it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It was like super easy. This is like my go-to style for her. And then now I'm just gonna get some more gel on like a little toothbrush and kind of just do all of her edges and everything. So yeah, this is the easy part now. Now we're just slicking it up. Okay, and for the last part, I'm just gonna remove this clip that was holding onto her bangs. I'm just gonna finger comb them a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you guys how long they are, I guess. Honestly don't know what I'm doing here. I just love playing with her hair. But then I'm just gonna grab this brush and comb through it. Always work your way from the bottom up to prevent breakage and just, make sure that you are detangling it properly without hurting her or damaging her hair. Now I am going to spray some more water so that her bangs are completely saturated. So it just makes for better curls, and I want her curls to be as perfect as possible because they are the focal point of the hairstyle, the bangs. So I'm just working the water in with my hands, and then I'm just gonna add some gel and like make sure that I like slick it down at the base and then just work it all the way through, all the way down to the ends. So now I'm just gonna take this Denman brush and comb through it until I feel like I've got the best curls. I mean, like, you can comb through it as much as possible, but you really only have to do it once. So I do it all the way down and then I slowly let the curls bounce up. And now I'm just going to separate the curls and kind of get them exactly how I want them. And yeah, you guys, this is just a super easy style and this is really easy to do. Doesn't take much work. I'm just separating them and just kind of making them look, you know, more like bangs instead of just all in one, the center of their face. And now I'm going to add a little flower because I feel like little girls are always so cute and they have little bows of flowers. But yeah, you can do whatever you want, and this is the final look, guys.
We're all done. Thanks for watching. Bye.